Ayan. Bumaba na kami. Pabili kami sa airport. Arrival uli sa airport, Hong Kong. Ang galing. Ang galing. Balik sa airport. Let's go. Dito kami itatambak ngayon. O, kanya-kanya na lang reboot.
You need to call to the restaurant. Of course, it's Cebu Pacific. Yes.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Because you have a place in which 2 hours from now. There are available seats. I mean, can we?
And you need to report to reservation. We can book it here.
Okay, so and then what about for the hotel? Is it one person
Nearby
per?
no, just this depends. It should be double up. Okay.
Servers hotel.
The Regal Airport Hotel. Carousel number 12 after the immigration. Before the counter.
Ma'am, what's the setup in the hotel? What's the
Regal
setup?
Airport.
This one? This one. Yeah, I have it. Ah, yeah. No. We're the one who... Okay.
You need to fill in the form. After filling the form, and then go to the immigration and then collect your baggage. In the baggage belt 12.
Alright.
And the waiting for the package belt, and then we have start as you go to the hotel.
So if we don't have anything, or if we only have carry-on, then we can
You need to wait at the package belt.
Alright.
This is the meeting point. Okay.
Sir, let me ask, how's the setup in the hotel?
Sorry.
What is the setup?
Set up. You need to collect your baggage. It's waiting at the package belt number 12, and then I'll
Number
start to
12.
assist you go to the hotel.
Okay, if I'm only one, I have my own room. So that's it.
I don't. Depends on the any rooms are available or not.
Okay. If I want my flight today, I can rebook or no?
You can try. You can try, but at this
Then-
moment it's all set in the same flight first.
Then Cebu Pac will reimburse me.
So I don't think so.
Oh, okay.
I don't know. So you can ask them.
So we're gonna go to 12.
You can book because tomorrow have the Cebu Pacific flight also.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, no flight.
If I think if you book on the same flight, I don't think you need to pay any more.
Okay, no worries. Thank you.
Yung nasa
Okay, fill out guys. So bukas pa daw ng 2 p.m. ang flight namin. Pero may pa-accommodation naman daw sila. Guys, pupunta na kami sa hotel namin. Sabi nung staff, Regal Hotel daw. And then wala kaming dinner. Breakfast na lang. 6 a.m. Gutom na kami lahat. Guys, ito na yung Regal Airport Hotel. So, parang race na ang nangyayari. May racing guys. Regal ang aming hotel accommodation. Ay, sorry po, sorry po.
Be, akong pipila.
Guys, ito nga pala yung hotel accommodation namin. Hanggang 3:30 p.m. Kasi ang flight namin is 3:30 p.m. So tara. So ito yung CR. Yeah. May 2 beds separate. May malaking TV. Yan o. Bago may couch. Yan. Okay, ito yung matatanaw natin dito. Yan. Ito yung restroom namin. Ayan. Ganda, di ba? And then, may bathtub. May bathtub ang hotel namin. Sobrang linis. So, dahil canceled ang flight namin. So, yan, nandito kami sa hotel with free breakfast and lunch buffet. So itong pinapakita ko ngayon ay lunch buffet. So Thai, ganun, asis, biryani, curry, mushroom soup. Guys, babalik na kami sa Terminal 1 departure area. 3:30 kasi yung flight namin. And then nabago na rin yung flight number namin. Terminal 1. Dito na ulit tayo sa Terminal 1. And then isa-search muna natin yung ating flight. Parang arrive. Parang arrival to. Okay, nandito na ulit kami sa departure area. Dito tayo ulit sa letter L. Mag-check in. First, Cebu Pac. Oh, AirAsia na. Ayan, Cebu Pac. Ito, magsa-self-check-in tayo. Okay, so sabi dito, yung new schedule namin ay 3:30 today, departure sa Hong Kong. Flight number from 5J 113 to 5J 109. So magsa-self-check-in na tayo. So yan, na-print na natin yung boarding pass natin. So yan, na-print na natin yung boarding pass natin. And wala pa tayong boarding gate. So, dapat nasa boarding area na tayo ng 2:45. Ang seat number 47, 47A. Departure. Nandito na ulit kami sa departure. Gate 11. And napalitan na naman yung oras. Dapat 3:30 yan. Naging 4:05. Ang galing. Ayan. Departure again. Ay, sana hindi na delay. Guys, nandito na kami sa Philippines.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Sa wakas, nakauwi din. Ano ba nag-iintay sa akin dyan, guys? Dito na tayo, lalabas na ng airport. Saan ako sasakay? Uy, may Wendy's. Wendy's muna tayo. Ang dilim dito. Ang init pa. Kain muna tayo sa Wendy's.